Do you ever wonder how people make videos and their faces appear on the computer screen? Do you know that this is simple to do with using a Google extension add-on? Hello, my name is Robin, and welcome to my Make Money Online Magically YouTube channel. On this channel, I will bring you information that I have learned being a YouTuber to you, so that you can be successful and make money online. Let me introduce you to Story Xpress Recorder. You can download the application yourself and give it a try. The best way to really learn how to use it is to try it. I will leave a link in the description so that you can click and try. This Google extension allows your webcam to record your face, video, and audio. It has different tools as well. It has a drawing tool that you can use during your presentations. You can also use a cursor, and there's also a pen tool where you can just easily draw on the screen. You can circle items that you would like to highlight. Even if you are not an artist, it's easy to use because you can easily erase. There is also a type tool where you can just type something right on the screen. Remember, with just one click you can trash can items you don't want. This tool is simply awesome and a must-have. Please subscribe to my channel to get more information such as this. This Google extension is simply a must-have that allows you to draw something, then change the colors. You can just scribble away on your page if you want. After you finish recording, viewing, and editing your recording is easy. You can use the zoom option and it makes everything a little bit bigger. Story Xpress receives 5 out of 5 stars in my book. They are continually expanding with a lot of their features. They provide regular updates and there is a free plan. Overall, their support is really useful when you just need a little bit of help. Story Xpress makes it easy to get started, and you can log in and get it using your Gmail Google account. Integration was just as easy as a few simple clicks. They just make it so simple just by installing the extensions to your browser. They also allow offline and online support. As far as the video formatting, it is just really easy to fix and edit. I like simplicity, and this tool is it. I would recommend it if you are a beginning content creator or even one who has been around for a while. I went through a lot of different tools and this one works for my business. Story Xpress is more cost-effective than other programs, and the use of it was just so much easier. So I do encourage everyone to try this extension. Continue to do your research to see what is out there. Xpress extension is from the Chrome Web Store. It is one of the best screen recorder software. Try Story Xpress today.